In a vast, shimmering ocean, far from land, there lived a proud swordfish named Sage. Sage was known for his sleek body and sharp sword-like dorsal fin. He was a popular figure in the ocean, admired by all for his strength and agility. One day, Sage noticed a whale, named Wally, struggling near the surface. Wally was trapped in a fishing net, unable to break free. Sage, with his sharp sword-like fin, could easily cut the net, but he hesitated. Sage thought, if I help Wally, I will lose my reputation as the strongest fish in the sea. What will my peers think? He pondered for a while, his thoughts troubling him. Meanwhile, Wally grew weaker. Sage felt a pang of guilt, but his pride held him back. Just then, a small fish approached Sage. "Why do you not help Wally?" the fish asked. Sage replied, "I fear losing my reputation. I am the strongest fish here." The small fish looked at Sage with wise eyes. "But strength is not just in showing off, Sage. True strength lies in helping others. You may lose your reputation, but you will gain the respect of those who matter." Sage thought long and hard about the fish's words. He realized that being strong meant more than just physical power. With renewed determination, Sage swam towards Wally, sliced through the net, and set the whale free. From that day forward, Sage was no longer just the strongest fish in the sea. He was the strongest because he had the courage to help others, even when it was not easy. And in time, the other ocean creatures came to respect Sage not just for his strength, but for his kindness as well. And so, the moral of this tale is, true strength lies not in physical power, but in the willingness to help others. Let us all strive to be strong in heart and deed.